Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the bi-colored cheeks for the cat pattern. Okay, so we're going to start round 1 with our cheek color and a chain 5. We're going to turn our chain over to work in the back bumps or back bars. In that first bump in the second chain from the hook, we need an increase. So I'm going to make 1 single crochet. And then in the second single crochet, we're going to pick up the cheek color, and then we're going to finish this stitch by joining our body color. Now in the next back bar, we need 3 single crochet. So I want to make sure my color changes stay nice and tight. And I'm going to insert hook under that next back bar, and I'm going to trade my body color for my cheek color, pull up my cheek color, and then I'm going to twist them together, and then I'm going to finish that stitch in the body color. Now in that same back bar, we need 2 more single crochet using only the cheek color. So I'm going to drop that body color, making sure I still hold it tight so it doesn't come loose. And I'm going to pick up my cheek color and complete that stitch with my cheek color. And I'm going to do 1 more stitch with only the cheek color. And now I'm going to continue that round using the cheek color. Okay, so here I finished round 1, and I noticed that this stitch here is a little bit big in my opinion, so we can just pull it a little bit smaller. And that will be where our nose is worked. So that's round 1. So now let's work round 2. In the first stitch, we are going to continue with our cheek color, and we are going to increase. I'll mark that first stitch. Increase, and in the second stitch we are going to also increase, but changing to the body color in each stitch. So I'm going to pull that cheek color forward and hold it tight, pick up my body color and pull it through. If this looks a little big for you, you can pull it a little bit snug. Now we're going to do the same thing in the same stitch. Insert, drop our body color, pick up our cheek color, pull it through, and then we're going to twist that cheek color to the front, and then finish that stitch in the body color. Now we are going to continue with the body color in single crochet 3. Oh, I pulled that one a little too tight. Two. And in this last one, we are going to change back to the cheek color. And 3. Then we're going to continue that round using the cheek color. So that is round 2 finished, and we can continue to work round 3. We are going to single crochet in the first 3 stitches, changing to the body color in the last stitch. So 1, 3. Now we'll pull our cheek color forward, pick up our body color. Now we're going to continue to work with the body color. Okay, and that is round 3 finished for the bicolor cheeks.